Welcome to Untitled Chapter. My name's Lida. Today I finished the lesson 35. Let's talk about the Last Supper. And today is the last video about idiom. Alright, let's begin to study about the idiom. It's on the tip of my tongue. It's on the tip of my tongue. This means that you can almost remember something but not quite. For example, I can't remember his name. It's on the tip of my tongue. I think it starts with letter B. Next idiom is, it's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. This means it is raining very heavily. For example, I can't go to the store right now. It's raining cats and dogs outside. It's made from scratch. It's made from scratch. This means something was made by hand and not bought from the store. For example, I made cookies from scratch today. I made cookies from scratch today. Alright, next idiom is, he woke up on the wrong side of the bed. He woke up on the wrong side of the bed. This means someone is in a bad mood for no reason. For example, he has been angry all day and yelled at his sister. He woke up on the wrong side of the bed today. Next idiom is, her head is in the cloud. Her head is in the cloud. This means someone is daydreaming or not pay attention. For example, after his boyfriend gave her the flowers, her head was in the cloud all day. Next idiom is a piece of cake. This means something is very easy. For example, how was the test? It was a piece of cake. I know I got a good score. The last idiom is hit the books. Hit the books. This means someone needs to study very hard. For example, the test is tomorrow. It's time for me to hit the books. Alright, I would like to review all those idioms for you one more time. It's on the tip of my tongue. It's raining cats and dogs. It's made from scratch. He woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Her head is in the cloud. It's a piece of cake. And hit the books. Well done everyone, that is the end of today. And this is the last video about idioms. And thank you everyone so much for spending your time watching this video. And don't forget to take care of yourself to stay safe from COVID-19. At least, bye bye.